Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. These are the contents we are going to see in this video. First, the daily to-do list. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Let's solve a circular sitting arrangement puzzle. 7 persons are sitting around a circular table. Some of them are facing towards the center and some of them facing outside the center. Okay, let's note the rough statements in the side. Abhishek sits third to the left of Harshid. Okay, let's take directly. Let's take Harshid here and let's make he's facing inside. Third to the left of Harshid. One, two, third one, which is Abhishek. Okay. Harshit, who is not immediate neighbor of Ajay. So it is not place for Ajay. And it is also not place for Ajay. Next one. Two persons sit between Varun and Parag. Varun and Parag. Two persons are sitting between them. Immediate neighbors of Harshit faces opposite direction to Harshit. Harshit faces inside, so these two persons are facing outside. Okay. Next one. Immediate neighbors of Yuvraj faces opposite direction. We represent like this. Next one. Not more than 3 persons face towards the center. Means how many persons facing center would be 1 or 2 or 3, but not more than 3. So this case. Tarun and Ajay sits immediate left to each other. Tarun and Ajay immediate left to each other. Next one. Parag sits second to the right of Ajay. Right of Ajay, second one is Parag. Yuvraj faces opposite direction to Abhishek. Abhishek, Yuvraj. Now we need to solve our puzzle using these rough statements. Here it is Ajay and Tarun are immediate neighbors. We have places of immediate here, here or here. 3 places. But we cannot place Ajay here or here. So Ajay place must be in 3 places. If we place Ajay here, there is no place for Tarun to sit adjacent to anywhere, which is left to him. So we cannot place Ajay here. If we place Ajay here and his left side means this is possible. He is facing inside and this is the place for Tarun, and Ajay is immediate left of Tarun means this faces outside. Okay. Next we have Ajay's second to the right is Parag. So it is place for Parag. There is 2 people between Varun and Parag. Here it is Parag. 1, 2, it is place for Varun. Okay, this also completed. Now we left with the directions and only one person left. He is Yuvraj. Yuvraj immediate neighbors facing opposite direction. So it is facing inside. So this case faces outside. Yuvraj and Abhishek are facing opposite directions. Yuvraj is facing outside. So Abhishek facing inside. So this is our answer for our question. Let's see question number 1. What is the position of Yuvraj with respect to Ajay? Yuvraj with respect to Ajay. 1, 2, 3. Third to the right. Third to the right is answer. Second question. How many persons sit between Varun and Abhishek with respect to the left of Abhishek? Left of Abhishek and Varun. There is two people sitting between Varun and Abhishek with respect to the left of Abhishek. So there is two people. Answer will be answer 2. Third question. How many persons facing outside? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people are facing outside. 4 persons. Answer will be 4 persons. Let's see inequalities. Question number 1. We'll go through the direct conclusions. From G to R. From G it is flowing to R. S it is 2. From C to R. C to R it is flowing. So it is also true. Both 1 and 2 are true here. Second question. L to A with everywhere equal to also. From L it is going to N and N to A and everywhere there is equal to also. So it is true. M to L, M to E, E to N. From N it is not going to L. So this case fails. Next. P to M. Here P, Y. From Y it is not going to M. So this case fails. P to N. From P it is going to Y. From Y it is going to N. So it is true. Next one. K to Y. K it is going to Y. So it is true. G to T and everywhere there is equal to also. G to S it comes up to S and not going from S to T. So this case fails. Next one. Last one. Here from X to Y. From X it is going to Y but everywhere there is equal to also. So this case fails. D equals to M. This is M and this is D and everywhere there is equal to also but there is no flow here. So this case fails. But on individual case X is nothing but M, Y is nothing but D. So totally we get the flow from X to Y. Here these are X equals to Y. We can write this as X equals to Y. Individual cases these fails but on combining we get a flow from X to Y. Here it is the same in the question also. X to Y there is a flow with equal to also. So it is either or case. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Question number 1. All tub is bucket. No bucket is mug. Some mug is dustbin. Conclusions. All tub being dustbin is a possibility. All tub being dustbin. We can write possible diagram. So this is possible. No tub is a mug. Tub and mug. There is we cannot able to write some case here. So this case fails. Some case cannot be possible. So this case is true. Next one. All laptop is computer. Only a few monitor is a laptop. No monitor is a hard disk. Conclusions. No laptop is hard disk. Laptop and hard disk. We can write some laptop can be hard disk. So some case is true here. So this case fails. All computer being monitor is a possibility. All computer being monitor. All computer can be monitor is possible. So this case is true. Next, all fridge is microwave. All fridge is microwave. Some microwave is cooler. No cooler is AC. Conclusions. Some fridge is cooler. There is no relation between fridge and cooler, so this case fails. Some AC being microwave is a possibility. Here it is AC and here it is microwave. We can write a possible diagram, so this is true. Next one, all bottle is cup. No cup is plate. Few plate is bowl. Let's see conclusions. All bottle is bowl, and there is no relation between bottle and bowl, so this case fails. No cup is bowl. Here it is cup and it is bowl. We can write some cup can be bowl, so this case fails. Next one, all biology is physics. Some physics is chemistry. No biology is civics. This is not civics. Okay, let's see conclusions. All physics can never be civics. All physics we cannot place inside civics, because biology and civics are not. So this case is true. At least some biology is chemistry. Uh, at least means some biology is chemistry. There is no relation between biology and chemistry in our basic diagram, so this case fails. Now it's time to solve simplifications. Cube root of 17282, it is nothing but 12 minus 25. 3 times is 75 and 25 remains and 1 time, plus 7 into 12, 8 times 96, 12 7 times 84. 84 means 96 left and 8 times, minus 612 equals to question mark. Therefore we have 7 8 times 56 and 7 7 times 49 and 5 54, 49 and 5 54, 546, plus 12 minus 612 minus 31, so totally 643 equals to question mark. This will be 855, 558 minus 643. We have minus of 5 and 5 plus 3 8, minus 85 is our answer. So answer will be option A, minus 85. Let's see question number 2. Percentage and double zeros will be cancelled, and 9 into 125 minus 16 into 73 divided by 4 means 4 times, so equals to x. 9 5 times 45, 9 2 times 18 and 4 22, 11 1125 minus 4 3 times 12, 7 4 times 28 29. So left with 3, this is a 3. 10 minus 2, 833. Answer will be option D, 833. Third one, 13 square 169 plus 90 square 8100 minus 45 square 5 square at the end, plus 1 4 plus 1 5 5 4 times is 20 20 25, plus 11 square 121. Okay, whole equals to x. We have 10 9 3 8 minus 2025, left with 5, 8 minus 2 6, 3 6 6 3 6 5 is our answer. Answer will be option D. Next one, fourth question. 11.11 percentage means 1 by 9 into 4626 minus 8.33% means 1 by 12 into 10956 plus 20% means 20% of 8700. We let cancel it to percentage and double zeros. So we left with 20 into 87 equals to x. 9 5 times 45. 9 1 times 9, 4 times 36. Here minus means 12, 8, 9 times 12, 9 times 108. 15 means 1 times and 3 times. This will be 177, 174, 1740. Okay, so we have 4 minus 3, we get 1. 5 minus 1, 4. This will be 22. 22 minus 9, 13. Whole equals to x. Our answer will be 1341, option A. Okay, next one, question number 5. 42 square, which is 17. 2 square means 64 hours. Okay, minus 900 divided by 36. 900 divided by 36. 9 4 times 4, 25 times. Okay, equals to question mark x plus 17 square 289 plus 25% means 1/4 of 988 for 2 times, and for 4 times we left with 28 for 7 times. So here we have 1764 minus the total of these numbers is 6. 9 plus 4, 13, 536. Here it is minus 25. Therefore x will be 1764 minus 561. Therefore x equals to 301203. This is our answer, option B. Now it's time to solve quadratic equations. Question number 1. 3 into 12, 36. 36 we need to get 13. 9 4 times. And the roots are negative because of positive and positive. Here it is 20. 5 4 times is 20 and the roots will be negative and negative. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 3. This will be 4 3 times 12, 5 3 times 15. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Second question. 8 7 times 56 and we need to get 15 and the roots will be 8 and 7. Okay, and the roots are in positive. Here 12 4 3 times is 12 and here the roots are also positive. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 4. 4 3 times 12, or 4 times 16. So we get x lesser than y. Next one. Here it is 28. Positive and positive means 7 4 times is 28 and the roots are negative. Here it is 40. 8 5 times is 40 and the roots are negative. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 2. We get minus 8 and minus 14. Here it is minus 8 and minus 5. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is less than or equals to y. Next question is 35 into 6 times. Let's divide this as 7 into 5 and this is 6. Let's divide this 6 as 3 into 2. 15 and 14. Okay, we get 29. 15 14 times and the roots are negative. Here 90 10 9 times and the roots are negative. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 2. Minus 20 and minus 18. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, fifth question. Here it is 21 8 times, or else we will divide this one 7 3 times. Let's divide 8 as 4 into 2 times. 4 3 times 12 and 7 2 times 14, we don't get that one. 4 2 times 8, 8 3 times 24 and 7, we get 31, and the roots are negative because of positive and positive sign. So here we have 5 into 36. Let's divide this 36 as 9 4 times, and this is 5, or else it is 5. 36 times means 180. 180 means 16 5 times. Okay, we get 11. Become positive and negative means here it is negative and positive. To make the base equal, we multiply this with 8 and this is with 5. We get minus 120. This will be 35. Here it is 8 5 times 40. 8 6 times 48 and 8 1 times 1 1 1 to 8. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y and x is less than y. No relation. Now we are going to see yesterday's homework questions of wrong number series. First question. I can see 4 and 32. 32 and 224. I am familiar with these numbers as 4 8 times is 32. Here it is 3 zeros and it is 2 zeros. So it will be divided by 10. 4 into 8 divided by 10. So we get a 3200. Here it is 32. 32 becomes 224 when it is multiplied with 7. Here 2 zeros and it becomes 1 0 means divided by 10. 8 by 10, 7 by 10, so it must be 6 by 10. 6 4 times 24 and 6 2 times 12 and 2 24 and 6 2 times 12 13. So this is also true. So it must be 5 by 10 means half of this one. Half of this one is 2 6 times. So this is the wrong number. 6 times 12, 7 times and 2 times. So answer will be 672. Our wrong number is 862. Let's see further. Into 4 by 10. 4 2 times 8, 4 7 times 28, 4 6 times 24 and 2 26. So answer will be 862. Option A is answer. Now question number 2. Here it is 96, 144, 72 and 180. 630. I am familiar with these numbers as this is into 1 times is 72, 2 times is 144.5 times means 36. 144 plus 36 will be 180, so into 2.5, and this will be into 3 times 540. Half of 180 means 0.5 times, which is 90. 90 plus 540 will be 630, so it is into 3.5. So it must be into 1.5 times and it must be 0.5 times. 0.5 times means half 96 divided by 2 to 4 times and 8 times. If it is 48, 48 one time is 48 and half means 24, which we get 72. So our answer will be option A. 144 is our wrong number. Next one, third question. Here the numbers are slightly varying, so we'll take differences. This will be 15. Here the difference will be 17. Here the difference is 14. Here the difference is 17. No, it is 18. Here the difference is 13. If we go for further differences, it is plus 2. It is minus 3. This will be plus 4. This is minus 5. So in this question we don't find any error. So answer will be no error, option E. Now moving for question number 4. This is 9, 18, 82, 108, 323, 373. The numbers are slightly varying. Let's see the differences. Here the difference is 9. Here the difference is 4 and 64. I can see squares and cubes here. If I go further, 8 and 12, 8 and 12, not 8 and 12, 8 and 18, it will be 26. Here the difference is 5, 21, 215. Here the difference is 9, 6 minus 2, 4, 49. This is 7 square. It must be 6 cube. It must be 5 square. It is 4 cube. 3 square. This is right, this is right. This one is wrong and this one is wrong. So our wrong number is 108. Here it is 25. Means 82 plus 25, which will be 7 and 107. So our answer will be option B, 108 is our wrong number. Next question, 19, 21, and these numbers are slightly varying. So we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is 80 plus 60 plus 4, 64. Here the difference is 6, 5, 256. I can see these numbers as 4 square, 4 cube. This is 4 power 4. So it must be 4 power 1 and it is 4 power 0. 4 power 0 means not 2, it is 1. And this is not 3, it must be 4. So difference must be 4 means it is the wrong number, which is 20 is our right number. If it is 20, then the reference is 1, difference is 4. So our wrong number is 21. Option C is our answer. Today's homework questions are these missing number series questions. Try to solve and comment your answers. Now we are going to see 5 mixed arithmetic questions. Question number 1. A train overtakes 2 persons who are walking at the rate of 6 kilometers per hour and 9 kilometers per hour in same direction. Same direction means the relative speed. Let the speed of the train is s and relative speed will be plus. Sorry, it is same direction. So relative speed will be minus. S minus 6. It is in kilometers per hour. Whole equals to length of the train divided by time. It is saying that the same direction passes them completely in 18 seconds. First case is 18 seconds. This is seconds means we need to convert the speeds into kilometers per meters per second. So this is first case. Second case is s minus 9 into 5 by 18 equals to length of the train by in 20 seconds. We need to find the length of the train. So we need to find L value. So 18 and 18 cancelled here. We left with S equals to L divided by 5 plus 6. If we place this here, we get L by 5 minus 9 plus 6, we get minus 3 into 5 by 18. Let's divide these two. 9 2 times 2 9 times and 2 10 times. So we left with L by 9 minus 3 5 times 15 by wait 3 times 5 by 3 equals to L by 10. So 10 minus 9 1 L by 10 9 times 90 whole equals to 5 by 3 330 times. So L value will be 30 into 5 times, which is L equals to 150. So answer will be 150, option B. Second question. Ramesh can complete a work in 3.5 hours. So time given is 3.5 hours, means 7 by 2 hours. He travels first half of the journey at a speed of 24 kilometers per hour. So there are the two types, T1 and T2. 24 kilometers per hour. Time equals to distance by speed. So here the distance will be half. So half of the distance. Speed. First speed is 24 kilometers per hour. Next one, T2. And the second half at the speed of 32 kilometers per hour. Second half means that is also d by 2 at 32 kilometers per hour. Total equals to, they take 7.5, totally take 3.5 hours, means 7 by 2. So these two will be cancelled. We take d as common and 4 also common. We left with 4 6 times and 4 8 times. So we take 8 as common here. 8 3 times and 8 4 times equals to 7. So we left with 7 d by 8 equals to 7 by 12 equals to 7. 7 and 7 cancelled here and d will be 8 12 times 96. So distance will be 96 kilometers. In our question, find the total distance. He asked. Distance will be 96 kilometers. So option D. Question number 3. A car moving at a speed of 35 kilometers per hour overtakes a bus 200 meters ahead going in the same direction. This is same direction. So speeds will be S minus S. Relative speed will be difference between them. 35 kilometers per hour, the car speed, and the bus speed is not given. Bus speed is not given. Speed equals to distance will be 200 meters. So we need to convert this kilometers per hour into meters per second. 5 by 18. This is distance. By time, time is given as 40 seconds. So 45 times is 200. So this 5 and this 5 cancel. 35 minus speed of the bus equals to 18. So speed of the bus equals to 35 minus 18. We left with 17. So S of P, speed of bus is 17 kilometers per hour. So answer will be option A, 17 kilometers per hour. Question number 4. When A L1 can do a piece of work, he takes 25 days more than the A plus B. A plus B takes and single A takes 25 days more difference. Okay. Second one. While B alone takes 16 days more than the time taken by A and B to finish the work. A and B together finishing the work, and the difference between B will be 16 days. Then what time A and B together will take to finish the whole work? Here the formula will be time equals to square root of 25 into 16. This will be 5 into 4, which will be 20 seconds. This is the answer. 20 days. So answer will be C. Next, question number 5. A team of 140 people can do a piece of work in 40 days. Actual work. After 25 days, they realize that 40% of the work is completed. So 140 members, 25 days completed, they have completed 40% of work. There is left with 60% of work. To complete the remaining work on the time means we have completed already 25 days, there is lefting with 15 days. To complete the work on time, how many more people are required? So let's take this as x. 15 4 times 4 10 times 10 0 times, so x will be 14 into 25. 24 4 times is 100, 25 1 times is 25, and 10 350. This x value is nothing but the 140 people and additional number of peoples. Additional people equals to 350. So what is the additional number of people is 350 minus 140. We get 210. 210 is our answer, option B. Thanks for watching.